Welcome back, guys. This is Ankit. This is RER Deals of the Week. I'm here with Steve again.
Hi, this is Steve.
We're going to be talking about the deals of the week for the week of January 20th to the 26th. So, without further ado, we'll go through the assumptions like we always do. So, Steve, take it away.
Alright, so I just want to go over the main assumptions real quick. The purchase price is 100% of the list price. Interest rate is 5% of the for a 30-year fixed mortgage rate. We have a down payment of 25% and a vacancy rate of 9.1%.
So obviously each investor situation is very individual, but this is our general assumptions, and it could be very different for you because you might need less of a down payment based on your credit profile and whether you're self-employed or W-2. So call us to find out how your profile shapes up, and maybe we can even make these deals better for you. So without further ado, what's the first deal we got today, Steve?
Alright, the first house I want to go over is 197 3rd Street. As of right now, this house is currently being renovated. 75% of the house is completely redone. So, the following pictures, they're of a work in progress. Most of the kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms are being redone, along with the utilities so that they're separated. The neighborhood's also pretty decent, and, it's only a few blocks away from First Street Park.
So, if you guys don't know, that's in the northward section of Newark. For us, we've identified a few sections that we really like in Newark. One of our main identification areas are definitely the North Ward, which is the Branchbrook Park section, University Heights, which is in the Rutgers area, and the Fairmont section, which is right behind UMDNJ. So that's our identified zones of key investments for cash flow or even potentially flips. So this one definitely meets even our criteria in-house for RER's purposes. So what's the cash flow potential on this deal?
If you have a mortgage, you could be looking at a cash flow about $995
per month.
Right, and the cash-on-cash return over a year would be about 21.243%.
So, like I said, this house, like Steve said, is going to be renovated fully. It's going to have $995 a month coming in. So, at 25% investment, you're looking at about a 20 to 21% rate of return on your investment. You can't get that at any bank today. And what about on an all-cash basis? What are we looking at?
If you're all cash, it's about $1,900 per month, and a cap rate of about 10%.
So guys, even at that $225, it's a good deal because you're making at least 10% if you put down the full cash. So leverage, that's a power of positive leverage in real estate. A 10% turns into a 20% rate of return. So what's the next deal we got here, Steve?
The next house is 73 Stone Street. It's a nice house, and it's in amazing condition. There isn't anything wrong with it at all. It's got 3 separate heating units, and all the utilities are separated. It's in a pretty decent neighborhood. All around the house there's newly constructed houses, and it doesn't seem like there's anything really run down in the area. The agent said that as of right now, family members are living in it, and the reason why it's being sold is because it's an estate sale.
That's right, so it's an estate sale. So what that basically means is there was a death in the family. The executors, who are the kids or other family members, have gotten the property now, and they have an estate tax that they need to satisfy within 1 year. So they're trying to sell this property typically to satisfy that tax. That's another way you investors out there can get good deals. Estate deals, probate deals are a big market that might come about now, given that a lot more baby boomers are retiring and the age is demographically changing towards that. So look around for those type of deals. So what's the cash flow on this deal? And I'm assuming the numbers we're basing it on is based on the projected cash flow. Am I right, Steve?
Right.
So what's the numbers we're looking at on a levered basis?
It'll be about $848 per month, with a cash-on-cash return of about 24%.
24% on a 25% down investment structure. Not a bad deal. What's the next scenario here? What's on an all-cash basis look like?
It'll be a cash flow about $1,500 per month, with
Okay.
a cap rate of 11%.
So both the deals we showed you is between $150,000 to $225,000. Both are in the North Ward and our approved sections of Newark. We like both these deals for definitely long-term cash flow investors. These are not flip potential deals, but these are definitely good passive cash flow hold deals. My recommendation is I like 73 Stone Street. Steve, which one do you like? So these are our 2 deal recommendations out of all the deals that came out, but our top recommendation of the week is 73 Stone Street in Newark, New Jersey. If you guys want more information on this deal, call us, email us, talk to us. This is Ankit from RER Deals of the Week.
And this is Steve.
Thank you so much.